AC power cord. Types, principles, application, and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at AC power cords. The video will bring more detail on topics such as principle of AC power cords, types of AC power cords, applications and benefits of AC power cord, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the fundamentals of AC power cords. Defining an AC power cord. AC power cord construction. Key considerations in the construction and material selection for AC power cords include conductor, copper wire. Electrical conductivity. Tensile strength. Ductility of copper. Ease of installation. Conductor, aluminum wire. Electrical resistance. Aluminum ductility. Galvanic corrosion. Oxidation of aluminum. Aluminum malleability. Thermal contraction and expansion. Excessive vibration. Wire insulation. Plastic insulation. Plastic options such as polyvinyl chloride, semi-rigid PVC, plenum polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene insulation, polypropylene insulation, polyurethane material, fluorinated polyethylene, nylon insulation, rubber insulation. Rubber offers an array of options. Thermoplastic rubber, neoprene, silicone insulation, ethylene propylene rubber, rubber insulation, fluoropolymer insulation, with options such as PFA insulation, polytetrafluoroethylene insulator, thermoplastic elastomers, Jacket material. N type for power cords. Operation of an AC power cord. Considerations for selecting AC power cords. When it comes to choosing AC power cords, consider these aspects. Rated current. Rated voltage. Frequently asked questions. What are the main parts of an AC power cord? How does the C13/C14 connector differ from C19/C20 for AC power cords? What should be considered when choosing an AC power cord for international use? What materials are commonly used for AC power cord insulation? What are typical applications for AC power cords in commercial and industrial settings? How do you maintain an AC power cord for long-term use? Chapter 2. What are the different types of AC power cords? C13, C14 AC power cord. C5, Mickey Mouse, AC power cord. C7, AC power cord. C7, polarized AC power cord. C15, C16 AC power cord. C19, C20 AC power cord. C13, Type G AC power cord. Choosing the right AC power cord for your application. Chapter 3. What are the applications and benefits of an AC power cord? Applications of AC power cords. AC power cords are used in a variety of applications, including building applications, industrial applications, benefits of AC power cords, drawbacks of AC power cords, AC power cord standards and specifications. AC power cord maintenance. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right AC power cord manufacturers for your needs.